A wonderful good morning to my wonderful Patans. I hope you all are fit and fine. So welcome back after your summer break. So you all are excited now for your studies? Yes, you must be. Okay, so we'll start a new chapter today and you are going to enjoy it, and the chapter is Tux Paint. Yes, Tux Paint. You all love to work in Tux Paint, no? So today we are going to start the Tux Paint chapter, and before starting the chapter I am going to tell you how to download the software, how to install it, how to download the stamps and how to install them, because most of you may not have this software in your computers or in your laptops. So first of all I am going to tell you how you have to download it and install it. Okay, and it's a free of cost software, anyone can download. Okay, so we'll start now and after that we'll come to the chapter. Okay, and the chapter is chapter 8, more on Tux Paint. Okay, so first you will start your computer or your laptop and it must be connected to internet. Now you can see on taskbar Google Chrome is there. You can choose a Google or Internet Explorer or Google Chrome, whatever browser you have. So just open that browser and just type Tux Paint download. As you can see the option, just click on that option and these option will come. Just click on the first one, download Tux Paint. Okay, then this screen will appear. Here you have to select the type of window you have. So for Windows 7 and Windows 10 you have to click on the first option, this Microsoft Windows. Okay, now just scroll it down and here you can see this is Tux Paint software, and here you will get these stamps which are also required. Okay, so first you have to click on this. When this download will complete, after that you have to click on the stamped one. Okay, so just click on this and this next screen will appear, and when this processing will complete then your downloading of that will start. Here as you can see here. Okay, so this download will start. When the download is complete, just click on it. Okay, open that software which we have downloaded. Then the window will ask you that if we want to allow this app to be installed here. So just click on yes. Okay, then again click on OK, then click on I accept the agreement, then do the next. Now again click on the next, then click on next. Just keep clicking on next, and now you have to click on install. Okay, now your installation of your Tux Paint software will start, and after this complete, a Tux Paint icon will appear on your desktop screen. Okay, as you can see here, this is your Tux Paint icon. Okay, a small penguin. Okay, so this small penguin is the mascot of this Tux Paint software. Mascot means कि आपका ये पेंगुइन जो है वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है टक्स पेंट सॉफ्टवेयर को, एंड इट हेल्प्स अस टू डू द ड्राइंग एंड कलरिंग एंड ऑल द थिंग्स इन टक्स पेंट सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, so once we have installed this Tux Paint software, now just open the Google Chrome again. Just click on this back button and now click on the Tux Paint stamps. Okay, again after this processing our downloading of stamps will start. Okay, it will take some time when we are installing the stamps. As its size is little big than the TuxPaint software. If this will come, just go to back again and click on the stamps again. And just wait for the downloading to start. Okay, now we'll download the stamps for TuxPaint. Okay, if there was there is some error while downloading the stamps, you can type here TuxPaint stamps and click on the TuxPaint stamps download and click here. Now again you have to click on, just scroll down and you will get the option here and click on it. See, now our downloading is started here. Okay, so once this download will complete, we'll install the stamps also. Till then we have to wait. It will take just some time. So once it is done, we'll download it, we'll install it after downloading. Okay, our download is complete, so just click on this, it will open. And again you have to click on yes when this dialog box will come. Now click on OK. Click on again next. Here also I accept the agreement. Then next, 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 and now click on install. Okay. You can see the installation. Okay, now installation is done. Now click on finish. Okay, so now you can open the TuxPaint software from the desktop icon, or you can click on this start button here. Okay, and now click on all apps and you will get here, as it is recently installed, so it is appearing here, or you can just scroll down till alphabet T and you will get the software there. Like you can see here, click on this drop down arrow and you will get two options here. One is TuxPaint windowed and one is full screen. Windowed will give you the small screen of the TuxPaint. Okay, and full screen will appear on the full desktop screen. Okay, so I am clicking on the full screen, so just click on it. See, so this penguin is the mascot for this TuxPaint, which will help us in doing the drawing and in using the TuxPaint software. Okay, so now we'll start our chapter. Okay, so this is your TuxPaint software. Okay, I have opened the full screen. You can open the windowed version also. Okay, as it will be easier for you to understand on full screen, so I opened the full screen option. Okay, So TuxPaint software is a free drawing program, and it is just designed only for the children, young children. Okay, and it has fun sound effects, and it has a cartoon mascot that help us to use the program, and the mascot is, I already told you, penguin. Okay, so downloading and installation I have explained to you. So now, and how to start, that also I have shown you. Now we'll start with the chapter. As you can see here, see on the left side, this is your toolbar. We call it toolbar, and this is your color palette. You can see the colors here. This is your color palette from where you will choose the colors, and you can see the penguin here. This is the help area. The penguin will help whatever tool we are going to select from here. The penguin will show a message regarding that tool and how we can use that tool. Okay, on the right side we have the selector. This is the selector. Okay, and this white area is our drawing canvas where we used to draw the pictures, images, or coloring, and all the things whatever we are going to do, will do in this drawing canvas. Okay, so whenever you will open the TuxPaint, by default your paint tool will be selected. Okay, by default means खुद से ही आपकी पेंट टूल आपको सेलेक्ट हुई मिलेगी. जब भी आप TuxPaint ओपन करोगे, then you will get only the paint tool by default. Okay, so we'll start with the line tool. See, here is the lines tool. How you will use the line tool? First, just select the line tool. Just take the mouse pointer there on the line tool and press the left mouse button once. Now it is selected. Okay, you can see here in the help area, click to start drawing a line. Let go to complete it. So you can select the color. You can select any color. Okay, and just press the left mouse button and just move it, and when you are done, just click it, and you can see it is a straight line now. Straight line, no zigzag is there. And you can also choose the thickness of your line from here. Like if I select this one, click on it. Now again press the left mouse button, keep the button pressed, and just move the mouse and just click and see. Okay, so this way you can draw a straight line, and you can select any of the size here. Like this flower design you can also select. If you will click simple once, it will appear like this. Okay, you can choose any. Okay, like, see, you have to just press the left mouse button. When you are done, just release the button, click, and it will be done. Okay, so this is how you can use the line tool. Okay, when you will click on this drop down arrow, you will get some more options here. Okay, you can see here. So you can select any of the option, any color you can choose from the color palette. Just press the left mouse button and drag it, and you can see whatever design you want to select for your line, it will come. Okay, now next is shapes tool. Next is shapes tool. You can see here, this is your shapes tool here. Okay, just click on it. On the right side you can see the different shapes here. Okay, in shapes tool you will get some filled and some unfilled. As you can see here, these black ones are the filled one. So whatever color we will select here, the shape will appear with that color only. Suppose I am selecting this, you can see. Again you have to do it like that only. Just press the left mouse button and drag the mouse, okay, over the canvas, and then you can release the mouse. So this is the filled one, means आपकी शेप में ऑलरेडी कलर फिल हो जाएगा, वट एवर कलर यू आर सेलेक्टिंग फ्रॉम द कलर पैलेट. इफ यू विल select the unfilled one, it will just give you the boundary of that color. Okay, inside portion will be unfilled. Okay, so this is your shapes tool. We are having different shapes here: square, rectangle, circle, ellipse, triangle, pentagon, rhombus, octagon, star. These are different shapes of star, so you can select any of these. Okay, now if you want to erase these, अगर आपको इसको erase करना है canvas को, so click on the eraser and just press the left mouse button and drag it, and you can see the sound. You can also listen when we are erasing. So these sounds make interesting when we are working on this software. Okay, so this way we can erase using the eraser tool. Okay, so today we'll do only these two shapes. Okay, you can try and use these shapes, and if you will find any problem in doing this, so you can call me between 5 to 7 p.m. and if you have any problem while downloading the software or in while installing it, so then also you can call me. Okay, so just do the practical of this, try to use the software, try to use the tools, that is your line tool or shapes tool. Okay, and the next tools will do in next class. Okay.